the Hare and the Tortoise.
Today, let's hear the story of the hare and the tortoise. One sunny day, the hare, that was known for his fast legs, and the tortoise, who moved slowly but with purpose, crossed paths in the meadow. The hare, as usual, couldn't resist mocking the tortoise's slow face. "You're so slow," the hare taunted. "I'll never understand how much you survive with such a plodding gait. I'm the fastest creatures in the meadow, and you're just a slow poke." The tortoise, tired of the hare's teasing, decided to stand up for himself. "I may be slow," he said, "but I'm steady and determined. Why don't we have a race to see who's the fastest?" The hare, overconfident in his speed, agreed, thinking it would be an easy win. The two competitors agreed on the course that wound through the meadow. The finish line was marked by a monkey with a brightly red colored flag. The race began, and the hare sprinted ahead, leaving the tortoise far behind. As he ran, he thought to himself, "This is too easy. I'll just take a little nap. I have plenty of time to win anyway." The hare settled under a nearby tree, closed his eyes, and soon fell asleep. Meanwhile, the tortoise continued moving forward steady and persistently. Though slow, he didn't stop or rest, keeping his eyes fixed on the path ahead. He, he plodded along, his determination and perseverance driving him forward. When the hare awoke from his nap, he realized his mistake. He looked around but couldn't see the tortoise nearby. Panic sprint toward the finish line, but it was too late. The tortoise had already crossed it and winning the race. The hare was shocked and embarrassed. He had underestimated the tortoise's determination and perseverance. He realized that his overconfidence and complacency had led to his downfall. The tortoise, on the other hand, was proud of his achievement. He had proven to himself and others that slow and steady could indeed win the race. The end. The moral of the story is that slow and steady can win the race, and that overconfidence and complacency can lead to a failure. Perseverance, determination, and steady effort can often lead to greater success than natural talent or ability alone. The tortoise victory was testament to the power of hard work and persistence, and a reminder that everyone has their own unique strengths and abilities.